So over here, I am in the Gantt chart view, and here you can see that there are a bunch of tasks, but none of the tasks right here are completed, as you can see right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and make sure that they are completed as per the timeline that we have set. So here you can see that there's a certain start date and there's a certain end date for each of the tasks right here. And based on today's date itself, so let's say I want to go around and update out the task. In that case, you can go around and select out the task right here. And on the top, you can see mark on track as an option. If you were to go around onto the task tab, then you can see this right here. If I were to click on this, you can see that it took the today's date right here. It took today's date, and based on that reference, you can see that this task should be 100% complete, and so it has completed it by 100%. If I were to go around and select all right here and then click on mark on track just like this, then you can see that some of the tasks are 100% complete, but for script writing you can see that it's 99% right here. We can go around and change it out later on as well if you want to right here, just like this. So if the date is still remaining, then it won't actually go around and complete it immediately over here. So for this one, you can see that some of the tasks are let's say for example 99%, some of them are 0%. That is because the start date has not been set yet, and that is how marking on track actually works inside of Microsoft Project. It takes the current date and then it updates out the overall task on the basis of today's date itself, and it assumes that everything is on time. And that is how you can go around and utilize the mark on track option inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.